Running a business can be full on, so banking shouldn't be. Finding time to go to a branch can be challenging, especially when you've already got your hands full. So why wait in line when you can bank online? Our digital solutions can save you time and energy. Banking digitally is quick, secure, and efficient. The mobile app and anytime banking allow you to complete a range of tasks whenever and wherever you like. Check your balance on the go. All you have to do is log in and you'll see your up-to-date balance straight away. Need to make a payment? Cut out all the hassle by doing it digitally. Pay wages, send money to a supplier, or pay your friend back for coffee and cakes. Our app has got you covered. Been paid with a check? Easy. Just scan it with the app and it's on the way to your account. Something not right? You can also stop a check in the app. If you need to access any of your statements from the last 7 years, you can do this in-app or via anytime banking. We've also made it easy to view your transactions. Banking online is also great for managing direct debits and standing orders. Whether you're viewing, amending, or cancelling, you can do it all within the mobile app or via anytime banking. Did you know you can make personal and business changes within the app and anytime banking? If something's changed, you can update your personal or business address and your contact details directly in the app or anytime banking. You'll just need to be registered for biometric approval first. If you need a hand, we're here to help whenever you need us via our dedicated help section. We can help you with everything from managing changes to your account to more urgent requests like requesting cash. Our digital assistant Cora is available 24/7. Find her in the help section. Sound good? Download the app today. For more information, visit our dedicated webpage. Criteria and limits apply.